Do they still make Sharp Aquos TV? Yes, Sharp still makes Aquos TVs, but availability depends on the region and manufacturer partnership. While Sharp remains a well-known TV brand, its production and distribution have changed over the years due to licensing agreements and shifts in ownership. Some newer Aquos models are still being released, particularly in Japan and select global markets. 1. Is Sharp still producing Aquos TVs? Sharp continues to manufacture Aquos TVs, especially in Japan, where the Aquos series remains popular. In North America and other regions, Sharp TVs are licensed to different manufacturers. The brand has undergone ownership changes, affecting production. Recent Sharp Aquos models include 4K and 8K TVs, with advanced display technology. 2. Who makes Sharp Aquos TVs now? Sharp Corporation directly manufactures Aquos TVs in Japan and some Asian markets. Hisense previously licensed the Sharp brand in North America, but returned control to Sharp in 2019. Foxconn, which acquired a majority stake in Sharp, also influences production and manufacturing of Aquos TVs. 3. Where can you buy Sharp Aquos TVs? Japan and Asia. Sharp Aquos TVs are actively sold and updated with new models. North America. Some older models are available, but Sharp has re-entered the market with new TVs after regaining its brand rights. Europe and other markets. Availability varies, and some regions offer imported Sharp TVs rather than locally produced models. 4. What are the features of new Sharp Aquos TVs? 4K and 8K UHD displays. Aquos TVs now feature high-resolution panels with HDR support, Smart TV functionality. Many models include Android TV, Roku TV, or Sharp's custom smart platform. Advanced audio and display technology. Some premium models feature Dolby Atmos, HDR10+, and AI-enhanced picture processing. 5. Are Sharp Aquos TVs still a good choice? Yes, if you find an authentic model, especially the latest versions in Japan and select markets. Newer Aquos models feature high-quality panels, making them competitive with other brands. Check the manufacturer details, as some older Sharp models may be made by other companies under licensing agreements. Sharp still produces Aquos TVs, but availability depends on location and model updates. The brand continues to innovate, especially in Japan, while expanding its presence in other markets.